Hey there. So today I want to talk about a concept that once I describe it will seem obvious to you because it's something that we always do, but until it's really quantified, you kind of maybe haven't thought about it. So this is kind of neat. I want to share it with you. It's called sliding window anomaly detection. Yeah, you hear that, you hear sliding window anomaly detection, and you probably sit there going, "What?" But it's a neat concept, so bear with me as I kind of go through it. So first of all, what is an anomaly? Well, an anomaly is something that is out of the ordinary, right? It's not the norm. So in order to define what is out of the norm or what's out of the ordinary, you have to establish a baseline. You have to know what your normal is. So to do that, in computer security, for example, we might monitor network traffic for some period of time. And based on what we see, we can establish our baseline, our standard of what normal traffic looks like. And that way, when something out of the ordinary or abnormal happens, it becomes easier to check. Now, that sounds great, but you have to think about what constitutes normal. How long is something normal, right? For example, when I was growing up, tattoos were very uncommon. Today, people have all over the place have tattoos. Tattoos are very common. It's not something out of the ordinary. So if I look back at the time of my life, like all the way back, I'm sort of distorting my view of what is normal, right? Same thing with computer security. If you look too far back, you distort what normal is. So to solve that problem, you have a sliding window. It's basically the period of time that you're looking back to establish what normal really is. So by looking back at a period, say for a month, maybe that's enough time and things don't change enough, that's the ideal amount of time to look back and establish what's normal. Because after all, detecting what's normal or out of the ordinary only has value if it's truly out of the ordinary. If it's being distorted by looking too far back, like I said, it's no good. And if it's too short, then it's also no good because you're not getting enough information. So, like I said, kind of a neat concept that maybe you never really thought about. And now that I've said it, yeah, we do it all the time. And that tattoo example is just the first one that comes to mind. But I mean, there's all kinds of things, right, that are part of it. So it's just a neat concept, and I came across it today, and I wanted to share it with you. So hopefully that is entertaining to you. Maybe not very practical for today, but fun nonetheless. Alrighty, I hope you have yourself a great weekend. Take care.